Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove and replace the earpad cushions on JBL Live 650 BTNC noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones. If your earpads are damaged or worn out, you can simply remove them and install new replacements. To remove the earpads, you'll need a flat, non-sharp object. A butter knife is ideal for this task. Carefully insert the knife into the gap between the earpad base and the headphone body. Then gently pry the earpad off. The earpads are attached to the headphone housing by a few plastic hooks. You'll find a link to new replacement earpads in the video description. To install the new earpads, first check the letter on the headphone housing to identify the correct side. Take the matching earpad, align it with the hooks, and press it until it clicks and locks into place. Repeat the same steps for the other earpad. It's really that easy. Also, check out the previous video where I show how I glued these headphones back together. For now, like this video and I'll see you in the next one. All the best!